Hello everyone. Want unlimited leads for your business for free? Almost free. So you can use this as an automation for yourself. As you can see, we get the name, email, phone number, website, address, and type of businesses. And you can get how much businesses are there in that particular area and in that particular category. So no limits for yourself. So this is the n8n automation. So looks really simple, but it's not. I sold this exact same system for two businesses, and even I'm using this for myself to get more clients. So this works really well. So let's start with the form, and let's run this once. And in search query, so it is basically the type of businesses that you want to target and the area in which you want to target them. So for example, coffee shops in Dubai or marketing agencies in Los Angeles, and let's go with that. So in here, we have like coffee shops, construction firms, all these things. But let's try with marketing agencies. I'll look back to form, marketing agencies in Los Angeles, submit a form. As you can see, we got 78 leads in Los Angeles, which provides the marketing services. And in here, as you can see, in real time, we are adding the data. So as you can see, it's completed and I basically stopped it on 28. And now we have 28 people to reach out, which is in Los Angeles, provide marketing agency, basically marketing services. So this is how you can set up this system and get a lot of leads. And as per API, we are using Sarper, a platform called Sarper. So in here, as you can see, get 2.5K free queries. So basically all you have to do is sign up and you'll see something like this. So you have to create an API key. For this case, let's say test. As you can see, we have created our API completely fine. Then back to the same n8n workflow that I'll be sharing with you. Then click on create new credentials in name. What you have to do is, first of all, let's copy the API key, test, paste in the value, and in name, you have to go to playground, and in here you will see X API, right? Paste in and save. As you can see, credentials successfully created inside. So you are good to go. And you have select the exact same account in here as well. And that's it. You will be able to set up this for yourself and you're good to go to scrape leads. So if you need the blueprints of this exact same automation, you can comment the Google Maps and I'll share this with you. Or if you are a business owner and want this exact same system to be set it up for yourself, reach out to us and we'll create this for you.